could you tell us a little bit about MicroStrategy's AI and BI solution and how it can help customers make the most out of their data?
Well, what we think about AI and BI is that there's a crossroads here.
Right.
So on the one hand, BI has always been about precision, about having a single version of the truth, the right answer to the right question. But there's often been a bit of friction. You have to know your AI tool, you have to know how to build a dashboard to get the right answers. The idea about AI is that we remove those layers of friction. I mean, there's nothing more frictionless than being able to type a question into a chat window and get the answer straight back. But AIs are not precise and they're not governed, and sometimes they hallucinate. And also, you don't want to leak any data into an AI, into a ChatGPT, and have that data get out anywhere else. So what we are doing at MicroStrategy is we think something unique. We're bringing the two approaches together. So using our semantic graph, we're making sure that the AI engine doesn't actually get very near to your data at all. All of the questions that you ask in your chat window are then parsed through our semantic layer, through our query engine, and fired off to your database. So by bringing those two approaches together, we have the best of both worlds. We get the precision of BI, the single version of the truth, all of your business logic definitions that you're using already, but we get the removal of friction of AI for consumers, for analysts, for developers, for architects, and so on.
Yeah, fantastic. And obviously AI is an incredibly hot trend at the moment. How are these, recent advancements in generative AI like ChatGPT impacting the data analytics space?
Well, I think the nicest thing from a vendor point of view that we could say about generative AI is that we don't have to convince people that it's a good idea. We've already, like most of the companies that we're talking to are already looking into it. I think what the concern is, or what the task is like, what are we going to use it for? How are we going to use it? How are we going to make sure it's secure? And how are we going to make sure it's governed? Even how are we going to pay for it? So these are sort of open questions for most of the customers we talk to about AI. And our products and what we're bringing to AI, and by the way, we're bringing this to fruition this year in 2023, solves all of these questions. So we have a clearly defined set of things that we're going to be doing with AI that remove friction from different workflows in the BI stack. We're going to be solving a specific set of problems, wide open problems and narrow problems, but we're going to be doing that all with governance and with an easy way to interact with payment systems and an easy way to interact with the AI engine of your choice.
For the AM360 subscribers that couldn't make it to the event today, what key takeaways would you like them to walk away with if they were to approach your stand?
I guess the first key takeaway is that it's worth looking at different technology solutions to find out who is actually providing the kind of richest, widest range of solutions. In our limited experience around this, everybody's interested in consumers, but you're kind of forgetting all the other roles, all the other supporting roles that there are in any BI stack. Yeah. So the technologists, the architects, the analysts, and that kind of thing. And the customers that we talk to are really kind of thinking this through to the next level. Are going, yeah, okay, how do I apply AI to different workflows? So yeah, think about that when you're looking at the other solutions.